Hi guys, this is Shankho here and welcome to Smart Bengali. Income tax return deadline is near to us. If you have already filed your ITR return but didn't verify it yet, now it's high time to verify it. Cause this is quite important. If you don't verify your ITR return, then it won't be accepted as a valid return and it will not be processed. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to successfully e-verify your income tax return. So before showing you the process, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel. Check out my channel contents. I hope you won't get disappointed. Now we can verify your income tax return in two ways. Offline, which I don't recommend, and online, which I'll be showing you later. First, talk about the offline method. So what you need to do, first you need to download your ITR acknowledgement slip, that is ITR V form, and then you need to send it to the CPC Bangalore, that is Centralized Processing Center of Income Tax. Now, how to get this acknowledgement slip? Well, after filing your income tax return, you will get it by your mail. Alternatively, you can download it from the income tax portal. So let me show you how to download it. So let me start a browser. Here you need to type incometaxindia efiling.gov.in. The first result should be your website, but just check it before opening it. Now this is our government website for income tax filing. On the right side, click on login. Here you need to put your user ID, which is generally your PAN, and then you need to put your password and then the captcha. Whenever you are ready, click on login. Here you can see we have an option called view returns/forms. Click on it. Under here you will see your PAN, and from the drop down list you need to select income tax returns. As you can see, all our filed income tax returns are shown here. Now this is the filed return for this year. From here you can download this acknowledgement slip, that is form 5. You can see the acknowledgement looks like this. Now what you need to do, you need to take a printout of this and you need to sign here. After that you need to take an envelope and you need to put it inside the envelope. On the left side you have to write Centralized Processing Center, Income Tax, Bangalore, and the address. You'll find this address on this acknowledgement slip. Make sure you write the exact same address over there. And on the right side, you need to put your name, your address, and your mobile number. Then go to your nearest post office. Don't send it via courier. Just normally send it via post or speed post. Once they receive it at their end, you'll get an SMS for confirmation. After that, it will be verified and it will be processed accordingly. So this was the offline method. But obviously you can see this is quite inconvenient. So that's a better way. We can e-verify it quite easily. Now I'm going to be showing you that process. So click on my account. Under my account, you will find e-verify return. Click on it. Here you will find your just filed income tax return. If you read the status ITR filed, it is not verified yet. On the right end, click on e-verify. Here first you will find your PAN, then the assessment year, then the ITR form name, and then the acknowledgement number. Now we have three options to verify our income tax return. The first two options are EVC related. The first option is if you have already an EVC, then you can use this option. And the second option is to generate the EVC right now. Since these two options are related to each other, I'll come back to this later. First, let me talk about this Aadhaar OTP method. And I think this is the most easiest method. But this option is applicable only if your mobile number is linked to your Aadhaar card. Otherwise, you can't use this option. Here you need to select this option and first you need to put your Aadhaar card number. Then it will automatically fetch your mobile number from the Aadhaar database and you will get an OTP. Then you need to put that OTP here and your income tax return will be successfully verified. But in this video, I'm not going to be using that option. Rather, I will be using the EVC method, that is electronically verified code. But I must tell you, in order to use this EVC feature, you must link your bank account with this income tax department website. Not just linking, you need to pre-validate your bank account. I have already made another video about how to pre-validate your bank account in the e-filing portal. If you want, you can check out that video. The link will be given in the description. Now first let me talk about this first option. In the first option, like I said earlier, the first option is applicable only if you have generated an EVC earlier. So since we don't have any EVC yet, we need to select the second option. Click on the option 2. I do not have an EVC and I would like to generate an EVC to verify my return. Click on it. Here we have three options. You can generate an EVC through the net banking. You can generate the EVC through a bank account number, or you can generate an EVC via Demat account. I think the second option will be applicable to the most of you, so choose through the bank account number. Here you will find your bank account which has been already pre-validated. Now if you want to know how to pre-validate it, you can check my video in the description. Now what will happen, here they will automatically fetch your pre-validated bank account number. If you don't know how to pre-validate your bank account, I have already made another video, you will find that video in the description. Here it is asking for confirmation to generate an EVC. Now click on yes. What will happen, you will find a 10-digit EVC code on your mobile and your email ID. So click on yes, wait for the verification code to arrive. It will take some time depending on the server traffic. Once you get your EVC code on your mobile number or your email ID, type the 10-digit EVC or electronic verification code here. If you haven't received any EVC, you can select this recent EVC button. Now once you're done, click on submit. That's it. You can see it is written that our return has been successfully verified and the return submission process is complete. You will also get a transaction ID. You need to copy this transaction ID for your reference. And after successful e-verification, you will also get an email from them. Since that we have successfully verified our return, let's check it. Click on my account. Here view e-filed forms. Then you need to select your income tax return. Click on submit. And you can see on the right hand the status is showing as successfully e-verified. Earlier it was showing just filed. Now our process is done. You can click on the acknowledgement number and you can download your ITR V or acknowledgement form from here. Now if you check your acknowledgement slip now, you'll find this red line written here. It is saying you don't need to send this to the CPC Bangalore. Since we have successfully verified our return, we don't need to send it to the CPC Bangalore. It is written here highlighting in the red line. Alright guys, this is the procedure. This is how you can successfully verify your return. So guys, keep that one thing in mind that you will have 120 days in your hand to successfully verify your return. So if you use the offline procedure, send the acknowledgement slip as soon as possible so that they receive it at their end with the given time frame. Alright, that's it for this video guys. So again, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.